Here's some of the cool stuff I saw at IWF 2022. I got started in the ShopBot booth, where I got to take a close-up look at their Desktop Max ATC, a very cool machine. They were also showing off the upgrades to their PRC Alpha system, which can now be fitted with a boring block, material handling equipment, and even an 8-position rotary tool changer. And, of course, I got some swag while I was there. One of the cooler items I saw was the Wood Welder, a radio frequency gluing unit. What makes it special is that it works with standard woodworking glues as well as the special RF frequency glue. Striplocks is an Australian company I found. They make a wide range of easy-to-use KD fasteners. Everything from right angles to panel clips to shelf clips. I got a bunch of their stuff to try out, and I'll be posting a video on that pretty soon. But I also have it on really good authority that they're going to be showing up in one of the major woodworking retailers' catalogs pretty soon. Hangman Products was at the show, showing off their anti-tip kit. This system is easy to install, easily removable when the furniture needs to be moved, and can withstand a dynamic tipping load of 400 pounds. They even have a cool magnetic stud finder for marking the installation. But what really caught my eye was a line of aluminum extrusions that allow you to make all sorts of floating shelves very easily. And some of them even include a profile for sticking in a bubble level. Triton had a bunch of new things in their booth, including their double dowel joinery system, their new 3¼ horsepower multi-base router motor, and their portable One Work Center outfitted with a table saw and router table. I got a sample of Titebond's new Speedset wood glue, and I'll be doing a video to show you some of the things that I think it'll be very useful for. Whiteside was showing off their new Dymar line of professional saw blades, and Freud's been expanding their range of bit sets specifically designed for benchtop CNCs. IWF is always big enough that it's hard to see everything you want to, but I hope you enjoyed these highlights of some of the more interesting things I did manage to find.